Dodging all these cameras, my traumas goes for keys of coke. I'm holding up these canisters, no rules, ain't got no managers. These people aren't in front of us. I kick it sold in calibers of our gaffs inside the palaces, eh? Mixed right with medicine, got a bad little bitch with melanin and smoke with this rocking elements. A rock number 9 with the vitamins, don't come to me without relevance. I'm a pretty boy and I'm elegant, Scouse kids look like a skeleton. If they got bad too many amphetamines, I'm bodied up like a soldier. Don't worry about what a soldier like, his body's calling me down. I think I lost all my composure, got me brother right on my shoulder. He's not hesitant to composure. Got that Molly Coke and them Zans, so trust me kid, I hate being sober.
Big star, man, a really dick star. Push to the side, make it feel a big star. Like an all of the ground, leave a single picture. I hit a DM, yo, she putting the ticks out. Sip star, sipping on elixir. Take a token and run time, feeling pissed off. She got Maggie in her mouth till her fucking lips start. Now I'm fucking on her friend who's bringing a sister. Mid-sex man, enter the room, she telling me shh, so I tell her don't panic. Says that there's sex in the air, so I jump out the sheets and her time's up capping. Bucks 8 when it's 6 deep like his bitch's knees. I can see his heart cramping. Ramping with both hands in the air like brother, it's cool, let me tell you what happened. Not my fault, she's loving it deep. Half of the time she ain't loving on me. Half of the gang really had her bent over. Not my fault, fell in love with the streets. Not my fault, she's loving it deep. Half of the time she ain't loving on me. Half of the gang really had her bent over. Not my fault, fell in love with the streets.
Keep dodging all these cameras, my traumas goes for keys of coke. I'm hoping all these canisters, no rules, ain't got no managers. These people aren't in front of us. I kick it sold in calibers of our gaffs inside the palaces, eh?
Headshot? That's nice.
Oh, he got double headshot by accident.